Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So we see these cool gadgets and organizing and cleaning hacks we've got in this video. Let's see the tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. It's really cool. These are the tools this lady is using in her beautiful apartment. This is a soft brush she uses for her body. This is a hair dryer. She's making her bed. Well organized. This is another amazing product. This is a cleaner you can use for your jewelry. This is another small hair dryer. We've got this one. You can also use it as a brush for your hair. Let's see what's in this fridge. She's gonna make something to eat. This is a normal brush. This is an electric kettle used for heating water. This is a sponge you can use for washing the dishes. It's really helpful. Let's see this tool. This is an electric top you can use for your feet. It's really cool. This is another clip. Let's see and the tools this couple is using in this beautiful apartment. She's looking for the keys. This is the package. It's really a big one. We've got this one. You can use for liquid soap. This is a small soap holder. These are more tools. We've got this one you can use for laundry. This is a silicone brush you can use for your hair. This is a mop you can use for the floor. It's really cool. This is a hook you can use for mops and brooms. We've got this holder you can use for your bathroom stuff, like these things. We've got this trimmer. We've got this thing you can use for your toilet. We've got this holder you can use for your sandals. These are some cool stickers you can use for your toilet seat. We've got this cutter you can use for cutting vegetables and fruits. This is a small grinder. We've got this box where you can put chopsticks. This is another cutter. You can use it for cucumber, carrots, or potatoes. We've got this thing you can use for bottles. This is a brush. This is an organizer you can use for your clothes. It's really convenient. This is a brush. We've got this holder you can use for your clothes. It's a folding holder. This is a folding bag or organizer you can use for your clothes. We've got these hooks or clothes pins. They are really cool. You can use them for organizing your clothes in the closet. This is a brush or small sponge you can use for cleaning your sneakers or sandals. This is a plastic organizer. This is an electric file you can use for your heels. We've got this one you can use for glasses, and this brush for cleaning the ceiling and walls.